Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I'm going to teach you about capacitor, what is capacitor and why we use them. So basically capacitor is like a bucket of electricity. You can say it stores electricity or charge inside it and later it is given to the component. And capacitor, basically I will show you how capacitor look like this. Capacitor look like this. Basically inside of capacitor, two metallic plates will be there, and in between that plates, dielectric material will be there. Holes and electrons will be there. So as we will connect battery to that, means as we will supply electricity between that capacitor, the holes and electron will start flowing. Like this, you can say that as we have connected battery, these electrons are flowing from here to here, and thus capacitor is getting charged, that is electricity is getting stored inside this capacitor. And as we will remove this battery, slowly reverse process will happen and electricity will start decreasing. That is capacitor discharging. There are different types of capacitor, like we can say glass capacitor, tantalum capacitor, film capacitor, aluminum, mica, air, ceramic, tuning, paper, super, pneumatic, trimmer. According to our requirement and different specification, we will use different types of capacitor. Mostly we use glass and aluminum type of capacitor. You can see in inverter or other thing like for ceramic, mica, other types of capacitor are also used. It depends on how much farad we are using. So basically the symbol for capacitance is C. That is we denote capacitance by C and its unit is farad. Different units are there. Farad is the basic unit. It is also denoted by microfarad, or you can say as nanofarad. Nano is small, micro is small, and if you came a normal unit which is called as universal unit, it is called as farad. Farad. F-A-R-A-D. Farad. Okay. And now you will think where we will use capacitor in our day-to-day life. Capacitor is anywhere where we want to store electricity and supply it later. As you can say, best example is our fan, our ceiling fan. You will see in ceiling fan like cylindrical shape one capacitor will be there. It is also termed as condenser, but we will say the capacitor in that electricity will get stored. The difference between electric ceiling fan and LED. What difference you will say, as you will turn on button of LED or LED light will start suddenly, and as you will turn off it will get off suddenly, but it is not same case with our ceiling fan. As you will turn on button, slowly our ceiling fan speed will get increased. So what that means, that is in capacitor, electricity is passing and slowly as capacitor is getting charged. As it will get fully charged, our fan will turn on with full speed. And if we turn off switch, our fan will not get turn off suddenly. It will get turn on slowly. What that means, that is our capacitance already has stored electricity in it. And it is releasing that electricity slowly. That is it discharging is happening. So it is the best example of capacitor. Okay. Now understand. Now let's come on summary what we studied today. What is capacitor? So basically capacitor is a bucket of electricity, that is it is used to store electricity. Later I said you what are different types of capacitor. Okay. Later I said you what's inside capacitor. So inside of capacitor basically two metallic plates will be there, positive side and negative side. In between that some dielectric material will be there which will have holes on electron. As it will supply some electricity to that capacitor, we will connect some source to that capacitor. Electrons and holes will start moving. That is our capacitor will start charging. And as it will remove source from it or battery from it, our capacitor will start decreasing. And it is denoted by a capital letter C. Its unit is farad. And also its symbol is, I forgot to show you, the symbol for capacitor is like this. We can denote it like this. Like one side is positive, one side is negative. Just draw like this two straight line and like this. This is the symbol for capacitor. Okay. After that I said you where we use capacitor in our day-to-day life. So basically capacitor is used in ceiling fan. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you.